Good morning, everyone. Once again, I am here with you, and today I am going to start the revision of chapter 2, that is plants around us. In the previous class, I have explained you the parts of the plant. This is the plant. You have to write the parts of the plant that are leaf, fruit, flower, bud, branch, stem, and root. These are the plants. In this, I will write this. Okay, in the name at the right side. Now, then types of the roots explained you the function of the parts of the plant, and see the function of root is to fix the plant in the soil, and the function of stem is to carry all the other parts to the shoot, and the function of leaf to make food for the plant, and fruits store food for the plant. Food stores seed, and seed develops into a new plants. Okay, seed develop into a new plant. So this is about the functions of stem, root, leaf. Okay, so now come to the classification of the plant. Okay, now see this this classification of the plants. In the classification of the plant, I have explained you that plants are of 5 types. Number 1 is the tree, second one is the shrub, third one is the herb, fourth is the climber, and fifth is the creeper. Okay, so these are the 5 categories of the plants. I have already explained you with example. So now it's time for the question answer. Come to the question answer, and I have revised question A, B, C, D. See, in the A again, see, dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. Okay, that is stem. Okay, and the strong and woody stem of a tree is called what? Trunk. Number 3 is the dash has a thin and green stem. It is herb. And number 4 is the muskmelon and grass are example of creeper. Okay, you will feel here what? Creeper. Example of creeper. They are creeper. And number 5 is the money plant is an example of climber type plant. Money plant is a climber. Okay, now see the match the following. Number 1 tree, you will match with mango, shrub with the rose, herb with the tomato, climber with the pea plant, creeper with the bitter gourd. So this is about the question A, B. And C, you all know very well. I have explained it earlier. And D also I have explained it. You will see my previous video. Okay, in that video I have given all these answer. Now come to the question number D. See, question is question E. Draw and label different parts of a plant. I have sent you the diagram of the plant. From that you will draw. You will see that diagram and then you will draw. Okay. Now number 2 question is write any 3 features of a tree. So what will you write? 3 features of tree are. Okay. I am going to show you the answer. You will write like this. 3 features of trees are: number 1, stem of a tree is woody and strong. Okay, number 1 feature is this. Number 2 is the roots of tree are very deep. Okay, and the third is the trees live for several years. Okay, so this is the answer of question 2. 3 features of the trees. Now come to the question 3. Write the differences between a tomato plant and a grass. For this, we will make a column. Okay, and then you will write the answer. See the answer. See, I have made the column, and you see the column. Number 1 point is the tomato plant. Tomato plant is a herb and grass is a creeper. Okay. Now come to the point number 2. It has leaves, stem, flower and fruit. That means tomato plant is having leaves, stem, flower and fruit. Okay. And in grass it has only leaves. Generally you see in the grass leaves are there only. Okay. No flower there. No flowers are there. No fruits are there. Okay, so this is about the grass, differences about the tomato plant and grass. Okay, now come to the question number 4. See the question number 4. Why do some plants creep on the ground? Why do some plants creep on the ground? See the answer. Some plants creep on the ground because they have thin and weak stem. Okay, because they have thin and weak stems. This is the reason. That's why some plants creep on the ground. So this is all about the question answer of E. So I hope you all will write neatly in your copy, and you will draw the diagram of question E from the diagram I have given. Okay. So now, and I hope you all have done A, B, C, D, and everyone knows about the classification of plant. Now I'm going to stop, so you will do your work neatly. Okay, that's all. Thank you.